Hello guys, good evening. I just went to buy what I need to cook for tomorrow. I came from the supermarket. We don't have big in Wilson, that's why I went to the meat shop, small meat shop. See, it's already dark. I think 5:45. Already dark because it's winter, but if it's summer, 7 o'clock still bright. This time because it's winter, when it's already almost 6 o'clock, it's already dark. Hi guys. You see how much did I buy? How many pieces only? 600 grams beef and broccoli, hot dog. And I buy oyster sauce. No oyster. See, yes. This my cellphone, every time I play this video, I look like have a makeup, but I don't have any makeup. My face is pinkish. My lips is red. It's a magic. See.